If you look at these, they're still super intact. They still got a crunch to them. They are not grandma's green beans. No offense to any of the grandmas out there. We love you guys, but these are great. Hi, I'm Maddie, the Senior Brand Manager here at Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making garlicky green beans with our coconut cashew sauce. I love this recipe because it's only 5 ingredients, it's vegan, and it takes about 10 minutes. So I've got my sliced garlic here, a little bit of salt, our coconut cashew sauce of course, and some spray for the air fryer. My green beans are going to be kind of the star of the show, but you can swap these out for broccoli or asparagus too. So I just coated these in some olive oil, and before we really get cooking, I want to remind you guys to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ring the bell so you always get notified when we're dropping new videos, specifically when they're coming from me. Just kidding. I'm going to add my sliced garlic, a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna give this a nice squeeze. Delish. So we've got a nice hefty serving of our green beans in here, and we'll be sure they'll get crispy because of that hot air. If you didn't coat your beans in olive oil, I would recommend using a spray on the bottom of your air fryer before you get started, but c'est la vie, it's your life. We'll just do our thing. We're doing our best here. In goes the basket. I've got my air fryer on. The temp is at 390 for about 6 minutes. I'll check on them. If they need more time, we'll go for another 2. Wow. They're looking great, but I want these a little more crisp, so I'm gonna turn it up to 400 for these last 2 minutes to really ensure that I get a good char. Yes. Gorgie. Neil, what do you think?
Yeah, I think these look great.
They look great?
It depends on how you want to eat them. If you want to eat them like crispy beans, then maybe a little longer, but if you just want to have them on the side, I like the saucy finish.
Perfect. You heard the man. These are done. All right, I'm gonna give my garlicky coconut cashew air fryer green beans a try. They're salty, they've got the coconut cashew sauce, that garlic, everything is flavored super, super well. They're delicious. And they aren't mushy, they still are like super intact, have a nice crunch to them. I'm a fan. If you wanna make this recipe, it's linked below. Make sure you comment if you make it. I wanna hear if you guys liked it or not. And thanks for cooking with me. I'm Maddie. See you later.